Story 26. I remember having once walked all night with a caravan and then slept on the edge of a desert. A distracted man who had accompanied us on that journey raised a shout, ran towards the desert, and took not a moment's rest. When it was daylight, I asked him what state of his that was. He replied, I saw bulbuls commencing to lament on the trees, the partridges on the mountains, the frogs in the water, and the beasts in the desert. So I bethought myself that it would not be becoming for me to sleep in carelessness while they all were praising God. Yesterday at dawn, a bird lamented, depriving me of sense, patience, strength, and consciousness. One of my intimate friends, who had perhaps heard my distressed voice, said, I could not believe that thou wouldst be so dazed by a bird's cry. I replied, it is not becoming to humanity that I should be silent when birds chant praises. And everything has its worship, right? It has its physical role, certainly, but the physical role and the other merges.